In this video, we listed the 5 best dashcams under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vantrue N4 4K Dashcam. The Vantrue N4 is a high-specification triple-channel dashcam designed for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. It features 3 lenses, a 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees interior camera, and 160 degrees rear camera, capable of simultaneous audio and video recording at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. It offers multiple recording modes including 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording, or 1440p front and inside dual recording, catering to various vehicle types with a 20-foot extension cable for flexible installation. The device includes infrared night vision, a 24-hour parking mode, and is powered by a supercapacitor, ensuring durability in extreme weather conditions. Additional features like loop recording, G-sensor with emergency lock, and GPS support enhance its utility as a reliable witness in accidents. The camera supports up to 256 GB of external memory and comes with an 18-month warranty, highlighting its robust functionality and reliability for vehicle surveillance and security. Number 2. VIOFO A119 Dashcam. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 is a compact and advanced car DVR designed for high-quality recording and enhanced user convenience. Featuring a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 image sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, reducing noise and capturing clear details day or night. It supports 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, ensuring sharp recordings of road signs and license plates. Key features include DOL HDR for improved night vision, voice control for hands-free operation, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfers and app connectivity. The dashcam includes a GPS module for location tracking and offers 3 parking modes for continuous monitoring. It boasts a sleek, hidden assembly design that minimizes distraction while driving. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it comes with essential accessories for installation and operation, making it a robust choice for enhancing vehicle safety and surveillance capabilities. Number 3. VIOFO A119 V3 Dashcam. The A119 V3 dashcam offers high-resolution video recording at 2880x2160p and 30 frames per second, powered by a 5MP Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.67G lens. It features a 140-degree wide-angle view to capture detailed footage day and night, including clear license plates. Key functions include advanced parking modes like auto event detection and time-lapse, supported by an optional $3 ACC hardwire cable for enhanced functionality. GPS tracking, optional, records real-time speed and route data, while HDR and Sony Starvis ensure excellent night vision. Additional features include G-sensor, loop recording, and support for up to 256 GB SD cards. The dashcam is designed for easy installation with a discreet form factor, supported by a 1-year warranty and optional accessories like GPS module, corporal, and $3 kit. Number 4. VIOFO A229 Plus Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Plus Dashcam sets a new standard in vehicle safety with its advanced features and technology. It features dual-channel Sony Starvis 2 sensors for enhanced night recording, offering 2.5 times better dynamic range and light sensitivity compared to its predecessor. This allows for clear and detailed footage in various lighting conditions. The dashcam supports HDR front and rear recording in 2K resolution, capturing sharp details even in fast-moving scenarios. It includes hands-free voice control, ultra-precise GPS tracking, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless data transfer and remote access via the VIOFO app. The A229 Plus also boasts 3 24/7 parking mode options and a user-friendly interface for easy operation. Backed by a 1-year warranty extendable to 18 months, it ensures customer satisfaction with a full refund option within 30 days of purchase, making it a comprehensive choice for drivers prioritizing safety and reliability. Number 5. NOYAFA LF10 4K Dashcam. The NOYAFA LF10 Front 4K Dashcam is a state-of-the-art device tailored for capturing detailed footage during your journeys. It boasts a high-resolution 3840 by 2160 video capability and utilizes the efficient H.265 video codec for quality compression and reduced storage usage. Designed with portability in mind, it features loop recording to overwrite old footage seamlessly, supporting memory cards from 8GB to 128GB. Key features include real-time surveillance, a parking monitor, voice control, and a G-sensor for impact detection. Its Wi-Fi functionality enables remote access to recordings via smartphone, enhancing user convenience. The dashcam's robust design, devoid of a built-in screen, ensures durability and weather resistance, catering to both driving safety and ease of use.